Hey, English learners! Welcome back to Learn English with Chan and Cherry, the perfect place to get comfortable with your English. I'm Cherry.
Hello. Hello, Cherry, and hello, everyone. I'm Chan. How are you today, Cherry?
I'm doing amazing, Chan. Actually, I woke up this morning feeling super excited about today's episode.
Oh, yeah? Why? What are we talking about today?
Okay, so imagine this. You want to say something in English, maybe at a shop, at work, with a friend, and you freeze. Your mind goes blank. Sound familiar?
Oh, yeah. That's me every single day. I open my mouth and nothing comes out.
Right. And here's the thing. Most learners think they need hundreds of verbs to speak English well. But today, I'm going to show you that you only need 12 verbs, just 12, and you can handle almost any situation.
Wait, only 12? That sounds too easy. Are you serious?
I'm completely serious. These 12 verbs are like a Swiss Army knife. You use them for everything. And by the end of today, you're going to feel so much more confident.
Okay, I'm excited. But first, Cherry, can we remind everyone about something?
Oh, yes, real quick. If this podcast is helping your English, please subscribe, like, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. Turn on your notifications so you never miss an episode. It really helps us keep making this content for you.
Yes, we make this for you. So let's go. What's the first verb?
All right, let's start. The first verb is get.
Get. Like get a coffee?
Exactly. Get is one of the most powerful verbs in English. You can use it for so many things. Get means to receive, to obtain, to become, to arrive. So you can say, I get it, meaning you understand, or get ready, meaning prepare yourself.
You mean like I need to get some food and also I get what you mean?
Yes, both are correct. Same verb, different situations. And here's the interesting part. Native speakers use get maybe 50 times a day without even thinking about it.
Wow. Okay, so get is number one. What's next?
Number two is make.
Make. Okay, like make a cake?
Yes, like make a cake, but also make a decision, make a call, make a mistake, make money, make friends. Make is everywhere.
Wait, make a call? You mean like calling someone on the phone?
Exactly. I need to make a call means I need to call someone. You don't say do a call, you say make a call. This is the kind of thing that makes you sound natural.
Oh, that's a really common mistake then. I think I say do a call sometimes.
Most learners do. Don't worry. That's why we're here. Now, number three is take.
Take, like take a photo?
Yes, take a photo, take a break, take a seat, take your time, take care. Take is so flexible. It's one of those verbs that goes with almost everything.
You mean like I can say take a shower instead of have a shower?
Both are fine, actually, but take a shower, take a walk, take a nap, these are super common in everyday English, especially in American English.
Okay, so we have get, make, take. That's three. What's number four?
Number four, and this one surprises a lot of people, is have.
Have? Like I have a car?
Yes, but also have breakfast, have fun, have a meeting, have a look, have a problem. Have is not just for possessions, it's used for experiences too.
Oh, so have fun doesn't mean you own fun. You mean like you experience it.
Exactly right. You experience it. Have a great time. That means enjoy yourself. Native speakers use have this way all the time.
This is where things change for me. I always thought have just meant to own something.
Most people do, and that's a huge unlock. Once you understand have this way, your English opens up a lot.
Okay, so four verbs so far. Get, make, take, have. What's number five?
Number five is give.
Give. Okay, give me an example.
Nice. See, you just used it perfectly. Give me an example, give someone a call, give it a try, give advice, give a hug. Give is the verb of sharing and offering.
You mean like, can you give me a hand means help me?
Exactly. Give me a hand is a very common idiom. It means, please help me. If your friend is moving boxes, you say, can I give you a hand?
Oh, that's so useful. I would never have guessed that. Okay, what's 6?
Number 6 is come and go. I'm counting these as a pair because they work together.
Wait, that's cheating. That's 2 verbs.
Okay, you got me. Let's say come is number 6 and go is number 7. Deal?
Deal. So, come and go. What's the trick here?
The trick is come means moving toward the speaker, go means moving away. So if I'm at home and I call you, I say, come to my house. But if you're going somewhere else, you say, I'm going to the store.
You mean like the direction depends on where you are standing?
Perfectly said. And this trips up so many learners. In many languages, there's just one word. But in English, come and go tell the listener about your position too.
Wow, that's actually really smart when you think about it. Okay, so we're at 7. What's number 8?
Number 8 is no.
No. Simple. Like, I know English.
Yes, but also, I don't know, do you know him? You know what I mean? I know, right? No is used constantly in conversation. It connects ideas and confirms understanding.
Oh, you know what I mean? I hear that so much from native speakers.
It's basically filler at this point. Native speakers say you know so often, sometimes even in the middle of a sentence, just to keep the flow going.
Interesting. Okay, what's 9?
Number 9, and this is a big one, is need.
Oh, need. Like, I need help.
Yes, and also, you don't need to worry. I need you to listen. Do we need anything from the store? Need expresses necessity. It tells people what is important or required.
You mean like when something is really necessary, you use need?
Exactly. And here's something cool. Need can also soften a request. Instead of saying, do this now, you say, I need you to do this. It sounds more polite and professional.
Oh, that's so useful for work situations. I'm writing that down.
Good. Okay, we're at 9. Number 10 is want.
Want. Simple. I want pizza.
Yes, classic example. But also, what do you want to do? I want to improve my English. Do you want some help? Want expresses desire. It tells people what you hope for.
It's like need but less urgent, right? Like need is more serious and want is more casual.
That's a perfect way to put it. If I need water, I'm thirsty and it's important. If I want coffee, I'd like it, but I'll survive without it.
So important difference. Okay, we're at 10. Do more.
2 more. Number 11 is think.
Think. Like, I think so.
Yes, and what do you think? I think we should go. I don't think that's right. Think about it. Think is how you share your opinion, make suggestions, and process ideas, all in one simple verb.
You mean like instead of saying in my opinion every time, I can just say I think?
Exactly. I think is more natural in conversation than in my opinion. Native speakers say I think all the time to share their perspective without sounding too formal.
That's such a small change, but it makes a big difference. Okay, last one. What's number 12?
Number 12, saving the best for last, is say and tell. Again, a pair.
Cherry, you're doing it again.
Okay. Say is 11. No, wait. Think is 11. So say and tell share number 12. Final answer.
Fine. What's the difference? Aren't they the same?
Great question. And this is where things change for a lot of learners. Say is about the words you speak. Tell is about sharing information with someone. So you say hello, but you tell someone a story.
You mean like she said she was tired, but she told me she was tired.
Perfect. With say, you don't need to say who you're talking to. With tell, you almost always need a person. Tell me, tell him, tell the class. The person comes right after tell.
Oh, wow. I always mix those up. I think I've been saying tell wrong my whole life.
Don't worry, now you know. And honestly, this is one of the most common mistakes even intermediate learners make. So learning this puts you ahead. Okay, so let me recap. We have get, make, take, have,
give, come, go, know, need, want, think, say, and tell. That's our 12, well, technically 13, but who's counting?
Exactly. And Chan, I want to tell you a quick story about how powerful these verbs are.
Oh, yes, I love your stories. Tell me.
So I had a student, let's call her Nina. Nina came to me and she said, Cherry, I feel so stupid when I speak English. I forget all the words. And I said, Nina, let me show you something. I gave her a piece of paper with only these 12 verbs on it.
And what happened?
I asked her to describe her whole morning using only those verbs. And you know what? She could do it. I got up, I made coffee, I took a shower, I had breakfast, I gave my dog some food, I went to work. Her whole morning with just 6 of our 12 verbs.
Wait, that's incredible. She told her whole story with just basic verbs?
Exactly. And when she saw that, she started crying, happy tears, because she realized she already knew enough to communicate. She didn't need 500 new vocabulary words, she just needed to use what she already had.
That story really got me, Cherry. I mean, I feel like that sometimes too. Like, I know some English, but I'm scared to use it.
And that's so normal, Chan. Most learners have the words inside them, they just need confidence to let them out. And these 12 verbs are your foundation. Build everything on top of them.
Okay, I want to try something. Listeners, imagine you wake up tomorrow morning. Can you describe your morning using only these 12 verbs? Like, I got up, I made tea, I took a shower. Try it.
I love that. Yes, try it right now in your head. Use our 12 verbs to tell your morning story. You'll be surprised how much you can say.
And if you can't do it yet, don't worry. That's why you keep listening and practicing with us, right, Cherry?
Exactly. Every episode, we give you something real and practical you can use right away. Not textbook English, real English for real life.
Okay, Cherry, so for someone who wants to start practicing right now, what's your top tip?
My top tip, pick just 3 of these verbs today. Just 3. Maybe get, want, and think. And use them in at least 5 sentences before you go to bed tonight. Say them out loud, even alone at home.
You mean like talking to yourself?
Yes, talking to yourself is one of the best ways to practice. No judgment, no stress, just you and the English language having a conversation.
I do that already, and I thought I was just a little bit crazy.
Not crazy at all. You're a serious English learner. That's the difference.
Okay, so we've learned 12 verbs today. Get, make, take, have, give, come, go, know, need, want, think, say, and tell. And we learned that you don't need to know everything, you just need to use what you know.
Beautifully said, Shan. And remember, fluency isn't about knowing the most words, it's about using the right words at the right time. These 12 verbs, they are the right words.
I feel so much more confident just hearing that. Like, I can actually do this.
You can absolutely do this, and you're already doing it. You're here, you're learning, you're growing every single day.
Cherry, before we go, do you have a fun challenge for our listeners?
Yes, here's your challenge for this week. Write 3 sentences using verbs from today's list and post them in the comments. We want to see what you come up with.
Yes, and we actually read the comments, so don't be shy. We want to hear from you.
And here is our question for you today. Out of all 12 verbs, which one do you use the most in your daily life? Is it get, want, think? Let us know in the comments below.
I think mine is want, because I always want something. I want coffee, I want to travel, I want to speak English perfectly.
That's so honest. Mine is definitely think because I'm always thinking too much.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. This was such a fun episode. I learned so much, and I hope you did too.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Remember, every minute you spend learning English is an investment in yourself. We are so proud of you for showing up today.
If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, leave us a review,
and share this episode with one friend who wants to improve their English.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep going. You've got this.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Take care. Bye-bye.